Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking succession and who is actually eligible. This saves time and prevents surprises. First, open the Realm screen and read the succession law, because primogeniture versus elective changes everything. Once done, scan family members for legitimacy, gender, and culture, and mark obvious heirs. Also make sure you control the primary title level. Changing laws or designating heirs often requires being the top liege, so confirm crown authority and landed power before you proceed. Now prepare and position the person you want as heir. You must build their legitimacy and claim. Grant them a landed title that aligns with your succession law, because an unlanded relative may be skipped. Once landed, arrange guardianship, education, and a strong marriage to improve traits and alliances. These actions increase court support. Then, if your game allows, push a designate heir decision or start legal changes to make their claims solid. If council votes are needed, secure support first. Finish by locking in your setup and watching the succession map closely. You want no last-minute surprises. Change laws and confirm designation, then placate powerful vassals with titles or marriages so nobody revolts when the ruler dies. If succession triggers unexpected results, trace the event log to see which rule skipped your candidate, and adjust. Often land, legitimacy, or a missing title is the culprit. If all else fails, use the console as a last resort fix or reload, and repeat the critical steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.